The last step in the address model is to state your solution. Most students think that once they solve the equation for x, they're done. But that's one of the tricky parts of word problems. Your goal is not to solve for x, your goal is to answer a question. So that's what we're going to do. And don't worry, this step is only so tricky because it's so simple. Again, we're going to need to go back to our first step and clarify what the actual question is. This problem wants to know how many gold medals the French won. Now, once we had set up our equation and solved it, we found out that x equals 2. And if we remember that x was meant to represent the number of French medals won, then we can comfortably state that the French athletes won 2 gold medals at the 2010 Winter Olympics. Way to go, French athletes, and way to go you for getting this far. One last thing on stating your answer is I need you to notice I used a complete sentence. I know what you're thinking, boo grammar, but here it is important when communicating your response to the word problem. Key features to remember are to capitalize the first word, insert a subject and a verb, and not to forget the period at the end. Oh, and of course, make sure the answer is actually in your answer. And that's it. That's the end of the address model for solving word problems. Try a practice problem or two, and then play the review game. Thanks.